Sonny boy, what's
It's
up
me.
with you, man? I know, I can't. You know what? I was waiting to get over here. You know, when I play this game, I always find a person in each family that kind of I click with. I click with Sonny.
Come on.
You know, me and Sonny click. Cause Sonny, in the same break, he said, because they all know I never lie. I came right back, and he lied.
I wouldn't say all that, Steve.
Me and Sonny could be friends. Cause all my friends lie. We lie for each other.
Okay.
But can I tell you something, fellas? Women lie too.
Come on.
Even when you find out the truth, you don't believe it cause you don't know how good they lie.